Welcome back. Spirit Feast was celebrated on Sunday in Margao. Father Moteiro in his sermon said that inner peace and happiness can only be sought through Holy Spirit. This feast is popularly known as Purumentache Fest, celebrated just a week prior to the arrival of Monsoon in Goa.
The feast attains importance as it is also popularly known as Purumentache Fest. Mainly, basic necessities of the household chores with various other articles are being sold at this fair in Margao. People flock here as a pre-monsoon preparedness to buy dry fish, spices, sola, chilies, onions and other local products like these. You can also find varieties of vessels and cloth material. The high mass for the feast was celebrated followed by the procession. Father Romeo said that the descension of the Holy Spirit on the apostles was the completion of the Paschal mystery. Assistant Parish Priest of Holy Spirit Church, Father George Fernandez, informed us more on the importance of the feast.
Guys, kushal जाऊया देवान आमकां फुकट देणी दिला पवित्र आत्म्याची साथ देण्यावरवीं देवाची कृपेन जाणवायेन वाडूंक आनी खरी भाशेन आख्खो संवसार देवाच्या मोगाच्या आनी खरी भाशेन पवित्र आत्म्याच्या उजवाडान भरूंक उज्यान लासून वचूंक आनी हे वरवीं संवसाराक शांती सहजकाय मोग भावपण एकचार आसूंक हीच आमची मागणी.
However, some residents of Margao had earlier objected to the feast fair for being set at the roadside as it leads to traffic congestion. They had demanded that the fair should be shifted to the SGPDA ground in Margao. Our reporter in Margao, Savio Dias.
You have to wear a decent outfit when you visit the Basilica de Bom Jesus church at Old Goa. Church has now decided to install signboards requesting visitors to wear decent clothes. Earlier, Sri Mangesh Temple at Mangeshi and Malsa Narayani Temple at Mardol had imposed the dress code for tourists.
Basilica de Bom Jesus, the church home for the relics of Saint Francis at Old Goa, have now requested the visitors to dress decently before entering the church premises. The parishioners of this church had objected to the inappropriately dressed tourists who usually come during the masses. Now the church authority has decided that it will install the signboard without hurting the sentiments of the tourist.
A lot of people come here, they dress very shabbily, they dress very indecently, sometimes they are with banyans and with bikinis and all, and that is why we want to control that, that is why, this is the reason. If you come and look out, see the people coming in, they come in anyhow, and people get scandalized, people who are devotees, they scandalized by it. So that's why I get a lot of complaints.
Earlier, two temples, Sri Mangesh Temple at Mangeshi and Malsa Narayani Temple at Mardol, were the first one to impose dress code for tourists in the state. Scantily clad tourists were not allowed to enter the temple. A video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent Media.
In Vasco, probably there are more traffic signboards than the people who follow them. Vasco cars have now demanded that old signal boards should be removed. They also want speed humps to be erected on the roads.
This is the Vasco city. Busy streets and traffic congestion is a daily affair. There are signboards installed everywhere in the port town, but hardly anybody looks and follows them. Have a look, the old signboards and now the new ones. Every 10 meters, you can see a signboard. Either no parking, two-wheelers parking or no horn. One of the prominent citizens from Vasco, Dr. Uday Nagarsekar, feels that unwanted signboards should be removed.
Signboards, parking, no parking, इतली जाल्ली आसा सध्या ताजे लिमिट ना. एक कंपनी कडच्यान स्पॉन्सर घेतात ते लायतात. ताजेर मागीर परत ते कोण करता ताजो आयदर PWD म्युनिसिपालिटी ताजो इन्चार्ज कोण ते आमकां खबर ना. पूण जेन्ना एक स्पॉट लायता तुमी खंय तरी सारको नो पार्किंग ऑर पार्किंग दुसरो थंयचो बोर्ड काडू जाय.
He has also demanded that the speed hump should be erected to control the traffic.
So the best part, and I जेन्ना बाकीच्या बेंगलोर किंवा आनी खंय वचून पळयता सगळ्याक there are something called speed humps. The speed humps जाचेर 30 स्पीडीन एक vehicle without hindrance वचू शकतलें. आनी हे जर right from चिखली to सडा जंय कलेक्टरान ऑर्डर काडिल्ली आसा की ती स्पीड लिमीट दवरची म्हूण तितल्या एरियेक एवरी 200 मिटरांचेर जर एक hump घालो पूण अगेन हो should be legal hump.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Margao police cracked down a gang of thieves in Margao. 5 thieves involved in various crimes were arrested. Stolen items like mobiles and laptops have been recovered from the thieves. Margao police arrested 5 thieves involved in various crimes. All are native of West Bengal and are working as butchers in Margao. Police have recovered various stolen items from the gang. Around 10 mobiles, 2 laptops and a watch has been recovered.
Total 5 accused are arrested in this case, and all are native of West Bengal, and they are working at a chicken shop. They are basically these chicken cutters. Producing them before court, we will obtain remand and we will conduct further interrogation of those accused, because there is a possibility that these people might have involved in many more crimes of similar nature, of the crime like housebreaking and other thefts. So we have to find out their involvement in other cases. So for that, sustained interrogation is required.
Police are further investigating into this case. Our reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt. News from sports after a short break.